Hello guys, welcome to another video by Phones and Tablets Kenya. We are going to unbox this Nokia 105 dual SIM and just look at a few specifications about the phone. So this phone is mostly known for its battery. It can go up to about 18 days with no charge, and you can be able to make calls, send SMSs, and it's mostly used by people for its portability. Also mostly used by businesses, home use, and office use as well. So let's have a look at what exactly it entails. So once you open the box, you first see the phone. The phone usually is covered with a small nylon paper. It's, as you can see, it's a dual SIM, and it's plastic, black. It does not have an SD card. On opening further, you find the battery. This is the removable battery, so that you can use the external charger if you need to. But you can also replace this battery whenever it runs out or you feel like you need a new one. This is the charger that you get. It's the normal USB. It's not a fast charger, but it will take up to like an hour or 2 hours for it to charge fully. So with this one you get mwongozo as well as the user manual. Easy to read, comes in English as well as in Swahili. So let's set up the phone and see how it looks when it turns up. So you just have to put in the battery, but before I do that I will have to put my Airtel SIM card, which I just replaced. So let me just put it in here so that we see just how to put it. First you have to put the macro SIM card. Don't remove it to nano or micro, just put it as it is, like that. Put the battery, then just close it up, then turn it on. The Nokia is simple, nostalgic, right? Remember when Nokia was the phone to go to? Just you're able to see the contacts. It can store up to 2,000 contacts. Then SMSs. You get to have the touch. You get to have the FM radio without having to use the earphones or the headphones for you to be able to connect, which is a good thing for people who really love the radio on the go. So that's the touch. Easy to use, easy to navigate. The buttons are very soft. It's black. I just loved unboxing this. So let's just charge it because it's brand new. Let's charge it to 100%, then I will use it and review it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stick around to see the functionality and what I think about this specific phone, the Nokia 105 dual SIM. Thank you so much for watching.